Go this way, now go this way, now go. Yeah!
Right now, I have hypnotized you with this. From now on, you must listen to me.
Yes, Master, I will. FunTV! Hey guys, it's Officer Chloe, and my job is to keep people safe and make sure no one is doing anything bad. If they do something bad, I'll give them a ticket. If they do something really bad, then I'll take them to jail. And that's my new jail cell. Today's a special day, and I feel like giving away free stuff. What should I give away? Free slime, free toy cars, maybe free squishies. I'll do this later. Guys, I really like slime, but sadly, someone stole my slime ingredients. I'm really curious who stole my slime ingredients and how they got it. The jailers can't because I've even tried, because if you have seen, I got locked in the jail cell too. And I can't even get close to reaching the slime basket, so I know it's not the jailers. And then no one is brave enough to go to my police station. I could just shoot them. Anyway, someone named Kaycee just gave me this fun and safe hoverboard cart. It's really fun. That's why I have a hoverboard here. You use this cart to connect it to the hoverboard. Then once you connect it to the hoverboard, you can play with it. And that's why I want to build this hoverboard cart. I'm gonna build this before I go to work. I see the seat! The seat! Which is the best part of it. Well, not the best. Okay, let's see the next one. Ugh, there's so much stuff in here. Kaycee, I've been in jail for a long time, so let's play Power Wheel. Yeah! Oh my! If we get 2 tickets, we gotta be careful. But if we have no tickets, we'll be fine. What about 1 ticket? I guess that's fine, but try to be careful. If we get 3 tickets, we have to go to jail. But guess what? We get to make slime. What? Well, what if the police are locked in there? Again? Justin, do you want to play tag and Power Wheel? Sure. You're an easy one up. Now I'm gonna put the screw in. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Let me screw this thing in. There. Next, I'm gonna connect this piece. Next, I need to put in the seat. There, I'm all done now. Awesome! Let me sit in it and give it a whee! Go this way, now go this way, now go. Yeah! Now let me connect it. There! It's really ready for trials. Before I go work, I'm gonna go have some fun. God, the tag was so much fun. Let's have a race. No, I think I see the police. That's not the police. The police is taking the break. So how come? He can't give us the ticket. Hi guys! Hi! What are you guys doing? We're having fun. We're not racing. Oh, okay. Wow, that car's so cool. What can it do? Yeah. Well, this handle will make it go left. This handle will make it go right. Oh, this one will make it go backwards. This one will make it go backwards. If I push it down together, it'll go forward. Wow. If I push it up together, it'll go backwards. That's how you use it. Very simple. That's cool. Mine can spin around and around. Can yours? Yeah. Pretty wild. Guys, whose power wheel do you like the most? Leave the comment section below. I like mine because it's super duper fast and can drift. I like mine because mine can go very fast and it could drift. So it could spin so much and drift. And mine's fun. I like mine because mine can spin, mine can drift, mine can go forward, backward, and it's actually using a hoverboard. So you can use 2 types. The hoverboard that you stand with your feet and the hoverboard for the go-kart. Anyway, do you want to play tag with the Power Wheel? Sure, but who's going to be it? You. I'm it. Go! You're it! You're it! You're it! Okay, we had so much fun playing for Power Wheels. Let's see who's stronger. Let's see which car's stronger. Justin's car or the officer's car. Mine! Guys, leave the comment section below who do you think is gonna win. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. That's not fair! He went to the side rider. Alright guys, we back. Let's see who. I win. Guys, instead of pushing the cars, we're gonna have a tug of war. There. Okay, Mike's ready. Are you challengers ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let's go. This way. No, this way. My way. Really important to do. It's okay, Kaycee. Bye. Drive safe. Okay. Well, I think I should get back to work now. Wait up, officer. Yeah? Can I try that? Sure. Let's switch. You can try mine. Let's see how steady your car actually is. What happened? Why am I here? I don't remember putting this on. Why don't I remember anything? Where am I?
You are in my secret lab.
Who are you?
I am your master.
But how?
Because I have hypnotized you with this. Like right now.
Yes, master.
From now on, you must listen to me.
Yes, master, I will.
That's good. Now, will you steal a police motorcycle from me?
Yes, master.
Alright then, now go!
Yes, master.
Haha, my hypnotized work. Now let's see what she's doing.
Not the eater. Ooh, slime. Ooh, a police motorcycle. It's nice and clean. Free. This motorcycle is free, see? Free. Let's take it to my master. Yay. You're welcome. I have to get back to work now. Bye. Bye. Let's place it right here. Wait! Where's my police motorcycle? Where'd it go? Did someone go pump gas or something? Where did it be? I didn't drive it off. Someone take it? Oh, I bet someone took it, but I don't know who took it. Great, now I lost my slime ingredients and I lost my police car. Did someone actually steal my motorcycle? Let me go around and look. For the other part of this pretend play series, press here now. For the other fun and exciting videos, press here. Here are my new fun videos. This is one of my favorite videos. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Smash that like